Today we'll be using the IDVisor Smart V2 ID scanner to demonstrate scanning IDs. First, tap the ID Scanner button at the top. Activate the scanner using one of the blue side buttons or the red button on the screen. Then, aim the scanner at the ID. After scanning the barcode, the screen displays the information from the ID, indicating whether or not this person is legally old enough to drink or purchase alcohol or tobacco. This screen allows you to cross-check all of the information on the ID to ensure that the data matches. Tapping on the age will produce challenge questions. It also shows how many times this person has visited, indicating if they're a loyal customer or a new customer to be introduced to the venue. We also have some additional features. Tagging allows you to mark a customer under different categories, such as VIP or band. Free Pics lets you take photos to save into the photo library. The counter helps keep track of how many people are in the venue. The manual entry button is for inputting damaged IDs. The email and telephone button allows you to input contact information. The scanner also comes with a trial subscription to Barcode Detective by ID Sentry. It uses the hidden data in barcodes to fight fake IDs. When connected to Wi-Fi, the intuitive shield icon uses color coding to indicate if the barcode format is valid. The Smart V2 and Smart Plus are compatible with DMV Check, an optional service that allows you to easily cross-check an ID against over 40 state DMV databases. To use it, press on the button and sign into your account. It will then show a Run DMV Check button that will use 1 credit to cross-check the last scanned ID against the DMV databases. To get a better idea of the scanner, let's scan a few IDs. When we scan this ID, we can hear the scanner announce that it's expired, as it's also indicated by the yellow banner. If we scan the ID of someone underage, the scanner announces this as well
Underage.
and indicates it on the screen in red. If someone is of age, the ID will simply beep and show a green bar to indicate that the ID is okay. That's how to use the IDVisor Smart Scanner for IDs.